There he is.
Well, you know what?
Very heavy snow. Here we are. It's the biggest snow of the century. Megan, show us how deep it is. Megan's in an area where Daddy shoveled already. Wow. Oh my goodness. Scott, I think you can just let her go. Incredible. We're getting 30 inches. Snowed all day yesterday. It's President's Day. February 17th, 2003. Look at that. Megan's in the mailbox. You can't even see it. It is really, really a lot of snow. And it's going to snow all day. Look at that. My gosh. Thunder can barely walk in it. Have her move, Scott. Megan, move out of the way so I can see her. Thunder, move. Scott, move her. Look at how deep it is. Oh my gosh. Look at how deep the snow is. Look at that. I mean, it's all the way up to the handle on the door. That. And Daddy shoveled yesterday.
She's just making it fast. Go.
Please get off.
Woo! Greg and John, time of their life. Pretty sad that's the time of their life.
Did you get air? Where'd you get air?
You got massive air. Dad. Yo, don't hold back. Dad. I got out.
Party, party, party.
Just build it up.
Into their porch and it fell down.
He's filming. Tell us what's up.
Yeah.
Welcome to Fairhill, home of the crazy people. Go.
Wait.
One, ready, Megan? 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh.
He loves to fall forward.
Are you all right?
I need some help.
Make sure I don't fall.
He gets a lot of air.
Oh, you guys better take it easy.
Film and film.
I am.
Film.
What? Ah! Hockey's over.
There's no snow. All right, that's it.
Wait, TJ's going.
Yo, I'll get a snowboard.
No, Scott, no snowboard.
Ah!
Ooh.
That was some air.
All right.
Go, go, go.